So dear students, I am back with the new tutorial. Some of you have sent me the messages that they are not able to install Scratch in their PC. So I just made this tutorial specially for those students. In earlier tutorial, I have taught you how to install Scratch on your PC. So I hope many of you have already downloaded. But the students who are having the earlier versions of Windows, means with 32-bit or Windows 7, in simple terms I should say, so they'll not be able to install this version. They'll not be able to install. So just for them, I had made this tutorial. So what they should do, they have to go to the earlier version of Scratch. So how to download this? Just click on this Scratch. I'll start from the starting. Open your browser. I prefer Chrome. You can use any. Then here you can type Scratch. So first option, this I have already told you earlier also. Now here, just scroll it down. Under support, you could see download option. Click on this one. This one. So I'll click on download. This step also I have told you earlier, but in your case now you will not go through this step. And many students were saying they are not able to install on their mobile. See, dear students, if your mobile is not supporting, means I'm helpless in that, because in my mobile it's working. So anyway, the earlier versions, older version, if I'll scroll it down, this one. So I'll click on this one, Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So this I'll be using. I'll be clicking on this one. Now, before installing Scratch, it's very important to install Adobeware. This is a supporting software for your Scratch. So what you have to do, and this I'll zoom it. Now here, Mac, I'm not using Mac. In my case, it is Windows. So I'll be clicking on this option. I'll click on download. So if I click on download option, so this screen comes in front of you. You have to click on download now. So in my case, I have already downloaded just to save the time for my recording. So I'll not download it, but in your case, if you click on this, like download now, your downloading will start. Okay. So I'll not do it. In your case, something this in this way it will do. Okay. So once it is downloaded, you have to see where it is downloaded. Okay. And again, I'll come back to the same position. Once your offline editor is downloaded, I'll show you how it looks. This is Adobe Air installer. I've downloaded this one. Then your second step, you have to download Scratch offline editor. Click on this, Windows, download. Again the same step, 58.3 MB it is. So it is telling me how to download, just you see. Directly in your case it will download like this only. So in my case it is showing this PC downloads. You can directly put it on desktop also. so that it should be easy for you to see where you're downloading desktop or whichever folder you feel like, so that after downloading you can get that software. Okay, so if I click on save, it will start downloading. So I'll not do it, I have already downloaded. So I hope it is clear to you how to download. So after that you have done this, suppose in my case I have given the default path on my desktop. So these are the softwares. So once you have done this, I have to install this Adobe. Double click on this. It will take little time. I agree. So it's installing. Finish. So Adobe is been installed in my computer. Then the Scratch. So I'll double click on this. It will take little time. So this application install dialog box will appear in front of you. So click on continue. So it is installing Scratch to offline editor. It will take little time, but it will be installed. So okay. So since our Scratch 2 is been installed and see it's opened also. So I hope dear students you are familiar now how to install the earlier version of Scratch for your Windows 7. Then now wait for my next tutorial in what I'll be teaching you uh, some other activity based upon your Scratch, whether you are using new Scratch or earlier Scratch. I'll be teaching you in new Scratch, but steps are same. Here different blocks are there. From here you have to select the commands. There the interface is a little different, but steps are same, commands are same. So I'll be stopping it now here only.